So as you guys can see, it looks like there is maybe a new update, guys. It looks like
I love this update. This update is smokers.
Bro.
They're green.
Okay. Okay, guys.
No.
Green, you want to
Okay,
join my
so,
team?
yeah. Guys, by
Yes.
the title,
Yes.
That's your
I
revolver.
think
Come
you
on.
guys,
We'll team up together, Green.
if you guys
Come on, Blue, come on.
played Animal Company before me, before this video came out, I think there was a new update. So I don't know where it is or what we do in it, but okay, pretty cool skin. 2,400 company coins though. Oh my god. Okay, bro, it is. Wait, is this like? Oh my god. Wait, it's actually. Yo. Oh my god, guys. Well, I'm cooked. Bro, why am I going in here? I don't even have a pickaxe or anything. Okay. It's gonna be a struggle. Okay, guys, no way. This update is actually kind of crazy. Oh. Parkour. Okay, let's check out the mines first to see if they added anything. Or why is it rumbling like that? I don't know. Bro, there's lava coming out the walls, bro. Okay, I think my stuff is still there. So bro. Where did my stuff go? There it is. No! It's fine. Just have to buy another backpack. So good, guys. It really isn't. Okay. I'm just gonna use a stick. I'm not gonna use like a crowbar or anything. How did I die on that? Ah. Wait. Yo, what? What? Yo, should I get... What the heck? I'll check that out later. I'm gonna try to get a teleportation grenade. Oh my god. Oh my. This is a fire update. So corny. Oh my, how is... What the... Oh my. Bro, what do I hear? What is in my ears right now? Oh my god. Bro, what is this? What the heck? It's like an automatic death, bro. How am I supposed to mine like this? What the heck? Bro, the crystals are like dead. Oh wait, is this a new crystal? Wait. That might be a new crystal, guys. Okay, it's fine. Let's go check out that thing. All right, let me get a teleportation grenade. I was so close to dying on that. Oh my, bro. Wait, it was... What the... Wait, where was it? Wait, where was it again? Was it in here? Was it in here? No, I don't think it was in here. So, what the heck? Wait. Oh, wait, it's probably, I think it was maybe there. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh! I just spent it 200. Oh my, bro. Okay, well, I guess that was a fail. Oh, no! No! Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Now I got it. Bro, wasting all my coins, bro. Oh, by the way, I'm broke. I only got, let's see, 65 company coins and 6,000 like regular nuts. Okay. Alright, I just need a stick. Get out, get out. Never mind. I didn't grab anything. Okay. Okay. Gotta get another freaking teleportation grenade. Okay, we gotta remember where it is this time. And I'm super low, so if I die, bro, just lost. Yeah, that was like 300 coins. That was like 300 freaking nuts, bro. Hey, yo. Sorry. Okay. Okay, that's right in there. Nah, no. Here, wait, let me just try doing it like on my own. Or maybe it's like something that it's not yet. Cause I don't know how I died. Maybe that's like something that it'll like come with this update, maybe like in a few days or something. But I saw on Scooby the Monkey's video that there's gonna be a camera mod. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's nothing. I think maybe it'll be like a later update, or I don't really know. But let's check the sewers if anything has let's check if the sewers has like anything. Lava. And that skin, that like lava skin, is actually kind of sick. I kind of want that. Okay. Jeez! Jeez! Yes! I got the cheese touch! I got the freaking cheese touch! Let's go, bro. Okay. Let's go in here. to see if anything, bro, the Teach Touch is so cool, bro. Alright, let's check if anything's in here. Who texted me? Okay, what is that freaking sound, bro? Okay. I don't think so has anything to do with it, but let's just check. I don't think sewers has anything, but yeah, no, it doesn't really have anything. Oh no, I forgot, I don't have anything. Okay, yeah. I think sewers doesn't have anything to do with it. But yeah, I think there's more to the update, but I just like, I don't know, I think that's all I could get to. But yeah, so that's basically the update, you know? That's like the fire update. Alright, well, see ya later.